Hello guys, welcome to all of you. Let us see a question for RC circuit when it is connected with a DC source in circuit. Here in the question we have to find out the voltage Vt, that is the capacitor voltage for t greater than 0 second when switch is closed at t is equal to 0 second. So let us see how can we find out the voltage Vt. These are the options given in the questions. First of all, we will draw the circuit for the time just before switching. So here t is equal to 0 minus second is time just before switching, and at this time we are trying to draw the circuit of the given question. We can see that here a capacitor is connected. So at t less than 0 second, this capacitor will charge up to steady state. So from minus infinity to t is equal to 0 minus second, this capacitor will charge and it will come in steady state. So at steady state, this capacitor will be open circuited. So we have open circuited it at t is equal to 0 minus second, and we assume that voltage across it at t is equal to 0 minus second will be equal to Vc 0 minus. As switching is not happened yet, because we are talking about the time just before switching, so this switch will be open. So from this circuit we can see that Vc 0 minus can be written as 4 volt. Since no current is flowing in this circuit, so no voltage drop will be occurred across these resistances. So this total voltage will appear across this capacitor and its value will be Vc 0 minus equal to 4 volt. Now for t tends to infinity, for a long time when this switch is closed, and we can see that this 4 volt source will start to charge this capacitor from t is equal to 0 second to t is equal to infinite time. So this capacitor will come again into a steady state for t tends to infinity time. So this will be open circuited at t tends to infinity time. So we have assumed that this capacitor will be open circuited at t is equal to infinity time, and voltage across it Vc is infinity. This switch is closed for t greater than 0 second, so we have closed this switch. Then this circuit come into picture. Then let us see how can we calculate Vc infinity. From here at t is equal to infinity, this circuit we have achieved, and now we will apply KVL in this loop 1. Then we can find out 4 plus 6 ix minus 2 ix. Then ix value will be minus 1 ampere. We put ix value here and apply KVL in this loop. Then we can find out Vc infinity is equal to 2 ix. So its value will be equal to minus 2 volt. We have calculated Vc infinity and Vc 0 minus. As we know that capacitor cannot change its voltage instantaneously, so voltage just after switching will be equal to the voltage just before switching. That will be equal to Vc 0 plus, that is the voltage just after switching, will be equal to Vc 0 minus voltage just before switching equal to 4 volt. We put all these values in this equation. This is the equation for t greater than 0 second for a capacitive network. So here Vct equal to Vc infinity plus Vc 0 plus minus Vc infinity into e to the power minus t by tau. We can put the value of Vc infinity minus 2 volt, Vc 0 plus 4 volt, and Vc infinity minus 2 volt into e to the power minus t by tau. Then by simplification we get this equation number 2. Now in this equation number 2 we have to calculate the value of tau. So let us see how can we calculate the value of tau. For the calculation of value of tau, we know that if capacitive network is given, then time constant tau can be written as Rth into C. So we have to calculate the Thevenin's resistance of this circuit. In this circuit, we have seen that our dependent voltage source is connected. So we will apply test method to find out the Rth of this circuit. So here voltage source V test is connected. We assume that I test is current flowing into this circuit due to this V test voltage, and this voltage source will be short circuited. As we know that we have to short circuit the voltage source when we apply test method voltage. So Rth will be equal to V test upon I test. If we apply KVL in loop 1, then this equation can be found out, and this equation give us Ix is equal to 0. By applying KVL in this loop 2, we can find out V test minus 3 I test minus 2 Ix is equal to 0. From here we will calculate V test upon I test, then it will be 3 ohm. We put Ix is equal to 0 in this equation. Then Rth will be equal to V test upon I test is equal to 3 ohm. As we have seen that tau is equal to Rth into C, so Rth is calculated at 3 ohm, and capacitance value is given in the question, that is 1 by 6 farad. Then tau will be equal to 1 by 2 second. Now by using equation number 2, we have calculated in this solution Vct equal to minus 2 plus 6 e to the power minus t whole upon tau value is put 1 by 2 second here. Then Vct can be find out as minus 2 plus 6 into e to the power minus 2t volt. So this is the capacitor voltage for t greater than 0 second. If we want to find out voltage at any particular time for t greater than 0 second, then we put that value of time here instead of t, and we can find out voltage at that particular time.